Imagine the aroma of a freshly baked pizza wafting through your kitchen. Its golden crust crisp to perfection, cheese bubbling just right, and toppings cooked evenly. No, you're not at a pizzeria, you're at home, thanks to the Culinary Chef electric pizza oven with ceramic stone, viewing window, adjustable heat control, timer, and 1200-watt baking power. This compact, powerful appliance transforms your countertop into a DIY pizzeria, delivering restaurant-quality results in minutes. Whether you're a pizza enthusiast craving Neapolitan-style pies or a busy parent needing a quick dinner solution, this oven is a game-changer. Let's dive into why this electric pizza oven deserves a spot in your kitchen and how it solves common pizza-making woes. Solving pizza-making pain points. Traditional ovens often fall short for homemade pizza, leaving crusts soggy or toppings unevenly cooked. Outdoor wood-fired ovens? They're bulky, weather-dependent, and a hassle to maintain. The Culinary Chef electric pizza oven eliminates these frustrations with its 1200-watt baking power and ceramic pizza stone, which heats to 800 degrees Fahrenheit in just 6 minutes. This rapid preheat ensures a crispy, pizzeria-style crust every time. Its adjustable heat control lets you fine-tune top and bottom heating elements so you can melt cheese perfectly while crisping the base. Say goodbye to uneven bakes and hello to consistent, mouth-watering results. Key features that shine. This electric pizza oven is packed with thoughtful features that make it a standout for home cooks. Here's what sets it apart. Ceramic pizza stone. The 12-inch natural ceramic stone distributes heat evenly, mimicking the floor of a professional pizza oven. It's removable for easy cleaning, saving you time post-pizza party. Adjustable heat control. Independent top and bottom heat settings allow precise cooking. Want a golden crust with gooey cheese? Dial in the perfect balance. Viewing window. A clear glass window lets you monitor your pizza's progress without opening the oven, preserving heat for consistent results. Built-in timer. Set it for up to 15 minutes and avoid overcooking. An audible alert ensures you never miss the perfect bake. Compact and portable. At just 13.4 inch by 13.0 inch by 6.5 inch, this lightweight oven fits on any countertop or even in an RV, making it ideal for small kitchens or on-the-go pizza nights. Bonus pizza cutter. A stylish cutter is included, ensuring clean, even slices for sharing.
Benefits that make a difference. Why choose this electric pizza oven over others? Here are the top reasons it's a must-have. Restaurant-quality pizza at home. The ceramic stone and high heat deliver a crispy, crunchy crust that rivals your favorite pizzeria. Whether you love thin crust, deep dish, or hand-tossed, this oven nails it. Time-saving convenience. Preheat in 6 minutes and cook a 12-inch pizza in as little as 3 to 5 minutes. It's perfect for busy weeknights or spontaneous gatherings. Versatile and user-friendly. Beyond pizza, bake flatbreads, nachos, or pastries. The intuitive controls and viewing window make it easy for beginners and pros alike. Real-world performance. I tested this oven with a classic margarita and a loaded pepperoni pizza. The ceramic stone heated evenly, giving both pies a perfectly crisp base. No soggy centers here. The viewing window was a lifesaver, letting me watch the cheese bubble without losing heat. Adjusting the top heat slightly higher for the pepperoni pizza ensured the toppings cooked without burning the crust. Cleanup was a breeze. The stone popped out and wiped clean in minutes. My only tip? Use a pizza peel, not included, for easier loading, as toppings can slide off if you're not careful. Addressing potential drawbacks. No product is perfect, but the Culinary Chef electric pizza oven's flaws are minor. Some users note uneven heating on early uses, but I found that rotating the pizza halfway through solved this. The included half peels are less practical than a full-size peel, so consider investing in one for smoother handling. Lastly, at 1200 watts, it's powerful but draws significant electricity, so avoid running other appliances on the same circuit to prevent tripping breakers. Final verdict. The Culinary Chef electric pizza oven is a dream for anyone who loves pizza or wants to elevate their home cooking. Its ceramic stone, adjustable heat control, and compact design make it a versatile, user-friendly appliance that delivers pizzeria-quality results. Whether you're hosting a pizza night or craving a quick solo pie, this oven makes it effortless and fun. Don't settle for soggy crusts or expensive delivery. Bring the pizzeria home today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.